You see, this time Kaizer Chiefs, they took a gamble and it paid off for them. Sanibonani football lovers, welcome to PK Sports. Igama lami Mbonga Inkosi. Ngithembe ukuthi ni kahle, niyaphila. Danko, ayibe ngithi ngiyazama nami ukwenza live but camera iyagoloza. Ivele ibe blank ku screen, so ngizozama iplan lokuthi ngilungise ukuze sishaya ama live but ningapheli ithemba, so washaya wona. Today we're going to discuss about two players. We're going to discuss about Eugene Luamba, the 25-year-old striker that is playing for Durban City, and Flavio da Silva of Kaizer Chiefs. So in this topic, we're going to include Nazarudeen Nabi. So you know the drill bafethu. Ungakhohlwa ukulike nokusubscribe to the channel if awaka subscribe. Maso subscribe ile, danko kaningi. Asivele sihlale udabeni. It seems like Kaizer Chiefs and Nazarudeen Nabi, they've agreed on one thing. It's Flavio da Silva, because he's one of the players that they recommended and he was pleased with signing him. And I was reading an article with Kickoff Online. There was a story about Eugene Luamba and the former reporter of his former team, Itafik FC, said ukuthi Luamba wanted to go and play for Kaizer Chiefs, but the Kaizer Chiefs were not interested in him. That name of the reporter is Okabelo Dipolo, but now he's reporting for another team. So it simply means kuti Kaizer Chiefs Flavio da Silva, there's one thing that I believe kuti caught their attention in terms of a profile while they were doing a profiling. Flavio da Silva, we all saw him go pre-season and we thought good basithengisele another pick, basithengisele ingulube sesakeni. So lana kuchaza ukuthi ungajaji ibhuka icover. That's what they often say in Matsonga. But don't judge a book by its cover. We saw ukuthi bekahlula ama first touch, but I kept on telling people ukuthi a pre-season is not an actual way that the team will be in the coming season, but it's a preparatory for the next season. And other players, especially coming from another environment to another, have to find a way to adapt. It's either their adaptation period, it is quick, or it gets delayed. And when you see a player get signed and by pre-season and you say good, no man, ngazathi kunento engahlangani. Hayi ngoba ilibhede lelo player, but the adaptation period yiyo esuke ingakafiki kuye ngalesikhathi lesi expecting ngaso. So now it simply means kuti Kaizer Chiefs, when they signed him, it wasn't a matter ukuthi we are looking for now in quantity. As we always say, kuti they just sign for the sake of signing. But ku Flavio da Silva, ngithema ngibheka ama stats wakhe were the previous two seasons, because he was playing for two different teams. That's where I've realized no, Kaizer Chiefs knew what they were doing here, and they wanted to support Nazarudeen Nabi, because Motu Apega, Flavio da Silva, this season for Kaizer Chiefs, he played a total of 31 games and he scored 10 goals, assisted once. Compared to last season, his former team, Ipesebaya Surabaya, he played 33 games and scored 9 goals and assisted 2 times in 33 games. And the season before, the 2024-2025, he played a total of 45 matches and scored 30 goals for a team called Persik Kedir. And that simply tells you ukuthi lo muntu uyalazi ibhali. And one thing I like about Flavio Silva, he's very direct. Ukutshela straight, as he did say before the game against Magesi, where he scored that beautiful goal. Ukuthi mina, I'm not a player that is skillful. Just give me the ball and I'll do the rest. And that simply means one thing about him. And I've seen him when he plays for Chiefs. He always points in the direction where he wants the ball to be played into. Because he understands, would you lay it for me? I finish off. Look at how he scored the goals. I'd say ukuthi lele Magesi where he looked like ukuthi he had that individual brilliance. But the other goals, you could tell ukuthi, give me the ball, it's either in the air or in the ground. I'll finish because I'm good at doing so. I'm a striker. And one thing ebuye sengiyibona ukuthi sometimes he doesn't get enough feet, and sometimes he's the one that is making it difficult for himself to get the goals because he wants to drop deep, help the team mark, and when the team attacks, it takes time to reach the final third so that he can finish off those moves that most of them he starts. So that simply tells you about the kind of a striker that he is, which he is a box striker. And with the proper feet, he will score a lot of goals for Kaizer Chiefs. And I'd say Guti, he's by far the best signing we've made for this season. Because he was able to register double figures for his first season, joining the likes of Abu Samir Narkovic. And then let's move to Eugene Luamba. Eugene Luamba, I'd say if Flavio Silva didn't deliver, Kaizer Chiefs by now would have been dragged by the media. They don't know what they want because of what they saw in the last stretch of the season, seeing Luamba scoring goals. Because he scored 4 goals in 6 games. Manje nje Matuza. No, he scored 6 goals in 4 games. So it tells you about Uguti. Sometimes take risks. It will depend whether Lady Luck is on your side. And Kaizer Chiefs gambled. And for a player like Eugene Luamba, he's from Congo. And he's young, but he's highly rated. Because that reporter of that team he was playing for, eBotswana, Ukabelo Dipolo, he mentioned something ukuthi lo sekubonile kusesekuncane khulu okuzayo. Because last season kuBotswana, in how many matches konje? It's big pain le. He scored a total of 15 goals and assisted 8 times in 29 games. It simply means ukuthi uyalazi ibhali. And this season akaqalanga kahle, as I was talking about indaba yayo adaptation period. And if it wasn't the case that Flavio Silva scored, Kaizer Chiefs would have been said that it fumbled here. But the good thing is that Flavio Silva proved his word. And for next season, I believe he can offer us much more than what he gave us this season. I don't know, what do you think about this? Do you think it was a good decision by Kaizer Chiefs, or is just in your because Eugene Luamba and he was ready. He even said I can solve the goal scoring problems at Naturen. As we see with this season, yes, we did have a season whereby we can say the club improved. But ikuseseninkinga lapha phambili. Yabona ama goals anqabile. I was watching log. Niyabonga noma. Kaizer Chiefs scored a total of 31 goals, considered only 18. Simply means the defense was good, but bona forward they still need to be clinical because number 1 right now currently scored 57 goals. Number 2 scored 56 goals. And then Kaizer Chiefs outscored by Golden Arrows. LA ku number 7 or 6, I'm not sure. Yeah, ngathi 6. Because they scored 34 goals. But we are not saying good, we are taking the credit away from Flavio. Flavio spanile this season. And he's proving good. He is a player that Kaizer Chiefs in future they must rely on, because isibuya kubo Ranga, sibuya kubo Gonzalez, kubo Kambule, Bimenyimana. Uyayibona le queue esengiyibalile.